Alright guys, here's the second day of the storm, which is January 27, 2014. My iPod screen already got wet. And check out where I'm standing. Holy crap. And actually, I started getting sick last night. Yay! I caught a cold! But, oh well. It's actually the first time this winter I got sick. Alright, so you can see how deep that is. There's my driveway. I'm gonna try walking in this thing. Yeah. Gonna have to snow blow today. Snowstorm? Actually, last night when I checked, it's supposed to stop tonight at 7 or 8 o'clock. And that's how much snow I got. And here is my deck, but surprisingly, it didn't get hit as hard as my driveway. I mean, there's a little trail that was made the other day, and the other day when it snowed, my bad. And that's pretty much it.